If you want to get rid of the fisheye look of your GoPro, just like this, if you look at the pillar just right here, that looks normal, and whoa, well this, you will want to come just right here on the lower left corner, hit that, and you will be able to change that to linear or linear plus horizontal lock. That's up to you, but this one, now as you can see, when I go on the side, it looks normal. Of course, it is less wide, but it looks normal. If it's not right there, you can come right here and on the pen and change the lens just right here. You've got the very same settings. Hyperview, linear, and all of those things are just right there. So if you want to de-wrap what you see, that's the way to go.